How to fix camera not working on Discord. So let's go to the general. Let's go to turn on camera. And here we can see that the camera is not loading. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to the settings, go to the voice and video, go to camera, and then choose the camera that you want to use. I'm using the Arion webcam, so let's test the video. In my case, it's still not popping up in Discord. In this case, what you need to do, there I am. In this case, what you need to do is check if your camera even works. So I'm using OBS, but you can just type in camera in the Windows search bar, just to test out if your camera actually works. Now, the reason why it doesn't work on Discord is because another program is using it, in this case OBS. So what I need to do here is just remove it from OBS, and now let's just restart Discord. Now let's go to turn on camera, and there I am. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.